Assistance, secure your mask first and then assist the other person. As also detailed in the safety information card, in the unlikely event of a water landing, you'll find passenger life vests. This may be used by both adults and children, located under each passenger seat. To use, first tear open and remove the vest from the pouch. Place the vest over your head with the panels on your chest. Wrap the strap around your waist and buckle on the front. To tighten, pull the loose end of the strap. Upon exiting the aircraft, you can inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red inflation handle. It may also be inflated manually by blowing in the red tube at the top. Each life vest is also equipped with a water-activated locator light. Allegiant Air is a non-smoking airline. Smoking, meaning use of all tobacco products, is prohibited while aboard the aircraft. This includes but not limited to e-cigarettes, chewing tobacco, and all similar devices. No smoking and fasten seatbelt signs and posted placards are located throughout the cabin, and federal regulations require passengers observe these signs and comply with all crew member instruction. To tamper with, disable, or destroy lavatory smoke detector is a federal offense. In final preparation for takeoff, please be certain your seatbelts are securely fastened. Your seat backs and tray tables in their upright and locked position, and all carry-on baggage is properly stowed and out of ballast way. Once again, at this time, all portable electronic devices, including cell phones, should be in airplane mode, and all larger electronic devices, including laptop computers and DVD players, powered off and stowed. The flight attendants are coming through the cabin one last time, and in just a few moments, we'll be dimming the cabin lights. Right above you, you'll find the reading light, air vent, and flight attendant call button, and the passenger service unit just above your seat. At this time, we do invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight, though. A nice short 2 hours and 8 minutes to Florida, Punta Gorda. If there's anything we do to make the flight more comfortable, please don't hesitate to ask.
Captain secure.